हुनर ही विनर है. This craft is from Kashmir. This is all Ari work from Kashmir. We train these women who want some empowerment in their life.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं हुनर टॉक्स और मैं हूं आपके साथ हेमलता गोयल। और इस वक्त हम हैं पल्लवी के साथ जो हैं वाराणसी से, और वो बताएंगी अपने एक ऐसी कला के बारे में जिसको आप देखेंगे तो आप कहेंगे कि वाकई वो शब्द आपके पास कम पड़ जाएंगे। तो आइए बात करते हैं।
Hello, I am Pallavi, founder of Voka Designs. So what we do, we have these all hand embroidered bags, these types of bags. This craft is from Kashmir. This is all Ari work from Kashmir. And we have a small unit in Varanasi where we train these women who want some empowerment in their life. These are the slum women we train them basically. We give them empowerment. We train them in our office. We give them, tell them how to teach, how to make the bags and everything. And they are the one who make all these beautiful bags.
So what kind of barriers you face?
So major barriers are these women need to be motivated. They need to end goal. They want something to life in the end goal. So what we do, we give them employment in our company so that they can work on a full time and they can get jobs also in our company.
When did you start this
So we started
process?
with like 2019. Then we started with export and everything. Then
Okay.
we started 2022. We started with our brand, and now we are registered with our own brand name, Voka Designs.
What kind of support you means like get from government, or do you have any suggestion?
So not we haven't approached the government much, but yes, UP government has always been supporting us.
What kind of response you get from the customer?
So it's really good. We generally do online business only. We
Okay.
generally sell online, but offline we get good response. We generally do exhibition only where the craft has been promoted.
As a means like female, you started this initiative and you are really means like inspiring others as well.
Hmm.
So what kind of issues you face?
So when I started this in Varanasi, Varanasi was a really orthodox city. But initially, they were not ready to accept of being a woman. She's starting a company. When I go to those vendors to ask for the fittings or the material, they were not ready to even show it. Then initially, this was the hurdle we were facing.
So you believe that means like hunar, basically the
बेसिकली
art,
हुनर ही है जो सब आपको ले जा सकता है.
हुनर ही विनर है।
यस बिल्कुल.
तो ये थी हमारे साथ पल्लवी, और जिन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह से उन्होंने अपनी एक जर्नी को भी शेप दी और आगे चल के उन्होंने इतने सारे और लोगों को भी जीने की वजह दी। और हम चाहते हैं कि ऐसी वजह अगर लोगों को देने वाले लोग मिल जाएं तो दुनिया में उनका नाम बनने से कोई रोक नहीं सकता।